If Mailchimp is showing an error loading the page, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a few quick fixes that can solve the problem fast. This is a simple step-by-step guide for when Mailchimp won't load properly, keeps refreshing, or just seems stuck. These fixes are easy to try and often solve the issue without needing any advanced troubleshooting. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes and tutorials. Let's get into it. First, clear your browser cache and cookies. Over time, old browser data can cause pages like Mailchimp to load incorrectly or break completely. To do this on most browsers, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard at the same time. A settings window will open for clearing browsing data. In that window, select Cookies and Cache. If you see other options like browsing history or saved passwords, uncheck those so you only remove the data you actually want to clear. Then click Delete Data or Clear Data to finish the process. Once that's done, refresh Mailchimp and see if the page loads normally. If the issue is still there, the next step is to open an Incognito window or try a different browser. Sometimes the problem is caused by an extension, save session, or browser setting that only affects your regular window. To open Incognito mode, click the three dots in the top right corner of your browser, then select New Incognito tab or New Incognito window. After that, go back to Mailchimp and check if it opens correctly. If it works in Incognito mode, that usually means something in your normal browser is causing the error. You can also try switching to another browser entirely, such as Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or Safari, to see if the problem is browser specific. The next thing to check is whether you're using a VPN or proxy. VPNs and proxy services can sometimes slow down traffic or block connections to certain websites, including Mailchimp. If you have a VPN running, turn it off temporarily and try loading the page again. If you're using a proxy, disable that as well and reconnect directly. This can often fix connection errors immediately. After that, visit status.mailchimp.com. This is Mailchimp's official status page, and it tells you whether there's an outage or service issue on their end. If Mailchimp is experiencing a temporary problem, there may be nothing wrong with your browser at all. On the status page, check for any current incidents, degraded performance, or maintenance notices. If everything looks normal there, then the issue is more likely on your device or network. If the status page shows an outage, the best thing to do is wait and try again later. So to recap, clear your browser cache and cookies, try Incognito mode or another browser, disable VPN or proxy services, and check the Mailchimp status page. One of these steps usually fixes the error loading page issue pretty quickly. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want more Mailchimp troubleshooting guides.